Dear friends, hello. Today, we start with a simple circle, but by the end, it will look like a real black hole. As the camera angle changes, the illusion is revealed, just pencil and paper, yet it looks like it has real depth. Now watch this tiny car drive into the drawing. It looks like it's falling right into the black hole. Automobile dashing away. The materials needed for this drawing are A4 paper, a 2B pencil, a charcoal pencil, a graphite pencil, a white pencil, a blending tool, a kneaded eraser, and a ruler. Now, we hold the 2B pencil in this way, placing our finger at the center of the paper. We choose the center of the circle, and then we rotate the paper 360 degrees to complete the circle. Now, once again, we draw a curved line that defines the dark part of the black hole along with its wall. We secure the paper firmly with tape, and then we draw the blue lines at specific intervals, making sure these lines do not cross over the top of the circle or the drawing. We take the charcoal pencil and carefully shade the dark area of the black hole. Now, using the blending tool, we carefully blend the dark area so that the darkness appears precise and beautifully rendered. First, we shade the darker parts of the wall of the black hole with the charcoal pencil. And then we use the graphite pencil to shade the lighter areas of the black hole's wall. We blend the wall of the black hole once again with the blending tool. Once again, we take the graphite pencil and deepen the shading so that the depth of the black hole and its wall appear beautifully. Once again, we blend the shaded wall with the blending tool so that our drawing is complete. If you enjoyed this video and found this drawing interesting, please make sure to subscribe to Zia's art channel. For more videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to draw next. Thank you for your support and attention.